Ona gutuika President Uhuru Kenyatta ndanakinyia mwene kigomano-ini kiu kiria kiratabanirio kaunti-ini ya Kakamega, President aririe aria megwikinyitie kugerera njira ya kiriu ari thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi.
They want prudence.
Ndumiriri-ini yake, President atithirithia bata wa unyitaniri gatagati ga thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti niguo kuguna muingi.
Distinguished governors, you have your part to play today. And I ask you, with all humility, to work even more closely with us to maintain fiscal discipline, to keep records accurately, and to use the funds, the resources, and the personnel allocated to you in a manner that will assure Kenyans get maximum benefit.
Sekta-ini ya urimi, President oritie Minister wa urimi Uguri abike mitaratara ya mwanya na thirikari cia kaunti niguo gutigirira arimi ni maguneka makiria.
Today, I have directed my Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture that his ministry must now do the right thing. He must collaborate with every county government to give your farmers the support that they need to make an honest living off their land. The misguided preoccupation with sugar, maize, and fertilizer imports must come to an end.
President augite thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti ni cikunyitanira kugacirithia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri na makiria gutigirira o Mukenya ni aingira mubango-ini wa kandi ya NHIF. Kaunti-ini ya Kakamega nakuo, magavana, maseneta, MCA hamwe na atongoria angi aikiro citiganite mateterithia bata wa o mundu kunyita itemi riake gutigirira wathani wa matura ni waguna muikari wa matura o ta uria watanyitwo ukianjiririo.
Personally, I'm very certain that devolution is working, but a good thing can be bettered. A good thing, ladies and gentlemen, can be bettered.
Aligning our individual county visions with that of the national government will provide a solid ground for collaboration between the two levels of government in accelerating service delivery, catalyzing local economic growth, and creating employment opportunities for women youth in the counties.
Na magavana makihoya thirikari nene gutuma mbeca makiria kaunti-ini ritana ria kuhuthira mbeca cia muingi na njira njega riatitirithio.
We have created separate court registers for county matters in our courts to help distinguish and fast-track county matters.
Kigomano kiu giguthie na mbere kahinda ga kiumia kimwe. Maina wa Wairigi, Inooro TV.